Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to import Adobe Premiere Pro sequences into After Effects. Let's open a Premiere Pro project. Suppose I need to import this sequence of this project into an After Effects project. For this, open After Effects, go to the Project panel and right-click on it. In the pop-up, click on Import, then click on Import Adobe Premiere Pro Project. Select your project and open it. In the pop-up, you can choose if you want to bring in all of your sequences or just one specific sequence. You can also choose whether you want the audio or not. Once I confirm that, you'll see my project panel instantly populate with the full bin structure from my Premiere project. If I bring it to my timeline, you can see that my Premiere timeline automatically converts into an After Effects composition. Now you can see that all the footage from my edit has carried over perfectly, keeping everything exactly the way it was. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.